Bienvenidos a Rhiannon. Welcome to Rhiannon. No lavé mis zapatos.
One of our main goals here at Rhiannon is reforestation. Give as much water and as much love to the trees as you can. We have a washing machine in here. This is one of the privileges. If you've been here for longer than 3 months, you can use the washing machine. If you're just a short-term volunteer, you're gonna have to scrub your clothes by hand.
I like washing my clothes like this.
This is the donkey pen. Take them out, tie them to a tree somewhere where there's plenty of grass. So their poop is really useful for making compost.
And we'll put some aquatic plants, they're really good for the compost. And then we'll put some clippings from just native trees, some urine, it's really high in nitrogen. We don't collect it, we have a system that collects it, so you know, that makes it a little easier. Pee! A whole lot of pee. This is a grease trap, the stuff draining out of the sink catches all the grease. And we also use that for the compost. Alright, cool. I'm gonna go grab a wheel bit. We'll pull them up, we'll chop them. Everything for the compost gets broken down as small as we can.
Solo poquito, Nicola.
This is it.
Yeah. And we cut it all?
Yeah, yeah.
And then we put more, and then we cut it all?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Still sacar.
Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, oh. Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, oh.
Gracias para el caca, gracias para las verduras, gracias para el pis.
Okay.
El final.
Grasa puro. Who needs a dryer when you have all this wind and sun?
We don't need to buy a lot of things. We don't have fridge, so there is a lot of things we don't buy, and we eat the vegetables and the fruit from the garden. So that's things also we don't buy. So we don't buy plastic more. We are not on the middle of the part of the consumerism. It's possible to live like that.
We make our own citrus soap.
We collect all the citrus in a bucket and we fill the bucket with water and then we wait for like a week, fall apart. Citrus is like totally fermented citrus liquid into the wine bottles and then you have citrus soap. Hey girlie.
The fresh egg. It's kind of sticky and wet. Good food is made here.
One toast for two.
We have an egg rotation here, and whoever this pin is on gets the egg, and then the pin goes to the next person. This is our wood stove. The tank over here has water in it, and it's heated up by the stove, so that's where we can get some hot water. 100% of the electricity we use here comes from solar panels. We try to use rainwater whenever we can. We try to minimize the waste that we produce. You know, if we can put it in compost, if we can feed it to donkeys, if we can use like bottles in construction, things that we can't compost, things that we can't burn, we stuff in plastic bottles. We try to stuff as much as possible until they become hard like bricks, and then we can use them in some kind of construction project. Better than ending up in a landfill or in a whale's stomach. We try to cook as much as possible with wood rather than using the gas stove.
So for lunch we're gonna do a pesto with rucola and potato from the garden to get some salad, some uvia. That one. This is rucola.
Okay, cool. This is the bathroom. We have compost toilets here. A dry toilet. There's no water used. Every time we poop, we put some sawdust on it to kind of absorb the smell and the moisture.
I empty the toilet space, like the shit space.
The showers are heated by solar panels. Only use 3 pumps so that we can have enough hot water to go around. This is Rivendell. It's one of our many little gardens. Got some potatoes here, some chard growing over here, with a lot more beans here. This is the tree circle. We have lots of fruit trees growing. This is the big building, a vent hall. A local shaman comes by and holds San Pedro ceremonies. There's a beautiful mural being painted in here by one of our volunteers. Nikki's healing room is here. If you would like a massage or a Reiki session, there's a pool table over here. This is a children's playroom. This is the yoga room. Another beautiful mural painted by Rachel.
Es mi casa, The Rainbow Track. El sillón para las visitas, mi cama, muy cómoda y con lo mejor, una excelente vista al Cotopaxi. Les quiero mostrar otras casas que tenemos aquí a Rhiannon, así que síganme. Si no me puedo. Este es el domo.
No. Leer. Oh. Hola. ¿Qué tal? Este es mi casa. You are welcome to come here. It's a very nice place. Around mountain, with a lot of good people, and to know how they live, the people in permaculture style life.
Vamos a conocer el tipi blanco. Muy sencillo de hacer, con unos eucaliptos, una lona. Ahora les quiero mostrar la última casa, que es el Snake Pit. Okay, acompáñenme. Bienvenidos al Snake Pit. Como pueden ver, esta es una vida muy sencilla, muy hermosa. Van a ser bienvenidos aquí.